Your electricity and gas bill could be hundreds of dollars higher than it needs to be. And no, you don't have to sit in the dark, take freezing cold showers, or stop using your air conditioner. There are simple things you can change today that can significantly reduce your energy costs.
And some of these tricks are surprisingly easy. Utility companies charge you based on how much energy you use and when you use it. The problem is, most people never look closely at their bill or understand where their biggest energy costs are coming from.
So let's go through 5 ways to start cutting that bill. Number 1. Check your electricity rate plan. Some utilities offer different rates depending on the time of day. If you have a time of use plan, electricity can be much more expensive during peak hours. So instead of running your washing machine, dishwasher, or other high-energy appliances during peak periods, move them to cheaper hours when possible. That one change can make a noticeable difference over a year. Number 2. Your HVAC system may be eating your money.
Heating and cooling are often among the biggest energy expenses in a home. Raise your thermostat a few degrees in summer and lower it a few degrees in winter. And if you have a programmable or smart thermostat, use a schedule so you're not heating or cooling an empty house.
Number 3. Stop paying to heat or cool the outdoors. Check your doors and windows for drafts. A small gap can allow conditioned air to escape continuously. Weather stripping and caulking are inexpensive compared with months of wasted energy. Also, check your attic insulation if your home is poorly insulated. Number 4. Attack the energy vampires. Some electronics continue using electricity even when you're not actively using them. TVs, gaming consoles, computers, chargers, and other devices can draw standby power.
Plug groups of electronics into power strips and switch them off when they're not needed. And number 5, audit your bill. Look for unexplained fees, rate changes, estimated meter readings, and programs you may no longer need.
If something doesn't make sense, contact your utility and ask them to explain every charge. You may not literally cut your bill in half overnight, but combining several of these strategies can make a serious difference. The biggest secret? Don't just try to use less energy. Find out where your money is actually going. Subscribe for more practical ways to save money and cut your monthly expenses.